Cherokee Village Hospital.
Yeah.
Probably haunted in there.
Why they abandoned? Why?
People, I don't know. They said it was running down.
Yeah. Oh, running down.
Yeah, I was in there one time overnight. It's just my potassium.
Ah, before you went there.
One time overnight.
So that is maybe only 8 years ago, no?
No,
10 years.
no more. No, about 15 years ago. And my potassium was down to nothing for some reason, and your heart will stop. So they kept there and IV'd potassium in it. There's Jeff. Well, he's doing good. Why they got this tied open? Huh?
I don't know.
Probably in here. Jeff is there? I'm just going to say hi.
Welcome to my channel again. Welcome back again. Phil of Country Living. We are here now at local airport. Ano ba yung torre? Ayan, tignan nyo yung light airplane. Nakasakay na ako dyan minsan. One time. Excuse me. Napakaganda dito, no? I mean, mahangin, no? Tignan nyo, mahangin. I'm just enjoying the place. So, what is this place, baby?
Up here at Cherokee.
Cherokee Village.
Yeah, up here at Cherokee Road.
So we are now at Cherokee Village.
Yeah.
Where is the place of Coney Cross?
Way down there.
Oh, okay, different way.
Yeah. You get lost in here, guaranteed.
I think, yeah.
Guaranteed. I've been on every street in here, but I can't take you to anyone you ask for.
Yeah.
I don't know where they are. I was just told to go there. Here's how you get there.
Yeah.
And take your truck there and let them fill it up.
Where is the house of the mother of Dominic Green?
Way,
Oh, okay, different.
way down there.
What is that? Oh, I thought that is
UPS.
UPS, yeah. All green, no?
Yeah.
Beautiful. All green. And like before, the trees are like dead.
That's the Spring River ambulance. So when they came to our house, they came from over here, right here.
Spring River
Right
ambulance.
there. Spring River ambulance, right there.
Ah, okay.
So when they came to our house, they had that far to run. You know where you are, right, Johnny?
No, I'm still thinking, yeah? Where we are.
If you go straight back that way, hey, straight back that way, you're at town center, where the police are and where the lakes are, and straight back. You'll run right into the waterfall and everything. Now this takes you right up to the highway.
Yeah.
And on top of this hill on the left is Cherokee Elementary School. It's the only elementary school, so everybody uses
Yeah.
it. Ash Flat, Hardy.
So House of Holy goes in another way, you know.
Yeah, all back that way. Here's the elementary school.
This is the back, no?
Oh, there's the front.
Oh, anyway, I'm
Now
lost
back,
now.
if you go behind here, you're looking right at the high school. Behind this building, you're looking, there's the high school right over here.
Yeah.
Still don't know where you are.
Oh,
Huh?
maybe you
Yeah,
went there at the.
Still don't know.
I know already, baby.
You know where you're at?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw Chactaw Center.
I'm gonna show you something.
So this is the building of the establishment, no?
It has all them
Yeah.
little stores in here. Which one am I wanting here? Is it this one? I think it's this one. Next step.
So also very peaceful here, no? Even
Yeah,
we call this suburb, no?
yeah. When the Cherokee tribe used to live in the eastern United States, they made them all move. They made them all move out to Oklahoma.
So the
And this, maybe you want to take a picture of it.
No,
This is part of the path they walked. It was called the Trail of Tears.
property here is expensive, no? I think.
So, yeah.
Yeah, expensive, and it depends on the place, no?
Yep.
If what is that?
I was just telling you. It's a,
Ancient.
this is part of the path from 200 years ago when they they forced the Cherokee to move out to Oklahoma. So take a picture of that sign. Ancient path. You see, ancient.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah.
That's where the Native Americans were forced to go out to Oklahoma, walk out to Oklahoma, which is very far.
Ayan, bumaba tayo ng kotse. Tignan nga natin to. Ancient plant. Magaganda mga bahay dito, oh. Ah, okay, yeah. I remember now.
This is called Nixtec Street, I think. What is it? Yeah, Nixtec.
This is the back of the building, nga pala.
Most things here have an Indian name.
Oh, ancient plant. Mixtec Drive.
Nixtec.
Yeah,
Yeah, Indian word.
Mixtec Drive.
Nixtec, Indian word.
Ha, Indian word. Many pine cone here, no?
Yeah. I'm wondering what time of year the pine cones fall and the little nuts come out, so we can pick them and plant them.
Oh,
Yeah, I remember we walked.
so they grow fast, no? I don't know.
I think so. Nixtec. Know where you are?
Yeah, we will go to pharmacy.
How would you like a little Chevy like that?
Where?
Right there.
That one?
This is the delivery car.
Oh, the delivery car.
How would you like a little
No, I don't like that.
Chevy like that? What do you want, a big car?
Yan, umiikot kami
A what?
sa pharmacy. We are
Oh,
rounding the pharmacy.
yeah.
I'm using my rough English, you know.
Oh, go ahead. What is that? Please,
Where?
Baptist
Baptist Church.
medical place.
Yeah.
Baptist medical place.
Ayan, paparada kami. Paparada.
Park in the shade. We're gonna
Okay.
stay in the car.
Parking in the shade, yes. I think I will wait for you, dear. Yan, here is the pharmacy. Nasa loob na ang habi ko. Di ba parang bahay yung ano dito, yung mga pharmacy? Yan, yung Baptist Church, para ding bahay, oh. Inside na yan, ano yan, bangko. Ayun ang highway. This This is the side of KFC. Or Casey's. Casey's. This is pine cone. You see, oh, very tall. Very tall, the pine cone. The time now here is 12:50. Tignan nyo yung mga nahulog na pine cone, no? Ay, may mga nalaglag. May naririnig ako mga ibon. Ayan, pharmacy. Ayan, ang likod ng pharmacy. Back of the pharmacy. Yung building na yan, likod ng bangko.